real beerman right here.
We got pouty lips.
Yep. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. That's so Rachel, and as you can see by the title, this video is going to be basically everything from this crazy road trip we're about to take. We are going Virginia down to Florida. So today we are planning on going all the way down to Charleston, South Carolina, and we're gonna spend what, 2 nights there? We're gonna spend 2 nights there, and then we are gonna go down to Florida, and I don't know what order we're gonna do it in, but we are going to go to Miami and stay there for a few nights because we love Miami. She wants to go to Tampa, Orlando, Clearwater Beach, like the beaches there on the West Coast. So yeah, we're just gonna go have fun. This is just random. We're gonna spend like 2 weeks down here and just do basically anything we wanna do. So we kind of just drove the Mustang down here and just have fun. It's official, guys. We officially made it to Charleston. Oh, Peter Lando. She makes fun of me, y'all. But anyways, we've made it to Charleston. There's like that famous church. We're like in the historic downtown area. And a nice Marriott's, of course, Marriott's only. But yeah, this is the room. Pretty nice, really cute. 2 big beds, closets, and a really cute bathroom with good lighting. And you know I have to have my good lighting for the makeup. But yeah, no biggie, but really cute. But yeah, so we are going to enjoy our first night. So I didn't get to vlog much of Charleston, but it was the cutest little town. We stayed for like 2 days, and it was so cute, guys. And we went shopping, and we got a lot of cool stuff. We are heading to Miami, and so basically from Charleston to Miami, it was like 8-9 hours, but with stops, it's like 10 hours. So honestly, it's a long drive because it's like the bottom of Florida. So we literally just crossed the Florida line. So yeah, we're excited. It's almost 100 degrees. I feel like I was gonna say something else that I forgot.
My baby daddy DM'd me after 2.5 months. I was wondering when he was gonna come back in our lives, you know?
Anyways, guys, so yeah, we had fun in Charleston. It was really cute, and I would totally recommend it. But anyways, we're going to South Beach, which is gonna be awesome, so.
Stay tuned for the pictures on the gram or whatever.
But anyways, guys, I think I said anyways like 25 times.
Yeah, you're.
Oh, that's my baby daddy.
Y'all, she's driving my Mustang, gonna crash it, I swear.
Move out of the mirror, Rachel. I can't see. You can't see out the mirror, you know? Just the crash TT.
What?
That sign said smoke ahead. Low visibility.
Well,
Something must be on fire, like maybe the shrubs or something.
girl.
Oh, road work.
You shouldn't have no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. Yup.
I feel like I was gonna say something else. Oh, I know what I was gonna say.
Yeah, you guys got
So we also, like on this trip in this vlog, we wanted to put like every state we were gonna get a lotto ticket, like lotto tickets from every state. So we got one in North Carolina, and we got 5 $2 ones. So she's spending like $10 basically on every like stop. And we're just getting them at random gas stations, no like order, no, it's just random. And so out of the ones from North Carolina, out of $10, there was what, 5 tickets? I only had one winning ticket, and it was this one, and it was like I said, they're $2 ones, but I only have one winning ticket out of 5, and I won $3. So we basically lost $7. And we didn't get one in South Carolina because we were going to Charleston, but we're gonna get them on the way back. And we passed through Georgia, so we got these from Georgia. And she got, how many? 10? 8. 8 $2 ones. So 2 times 8 is
16, Rachel. I paid 120 grand for that education.
Well, you gotta remember what school I went to.
So anyways, yeah, guys, I'm gonna scratch these. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, guys, so like I said, I scratched these lottos. There was 8 of them. Okay, and on the back, like these $2 ones, like it's always, the chances are 1 in 4. And on the back, it does say 1 in 4. Literally, I won on the last one. So that's 1 of 8. And I won the jumbo, which is 2 times 5, which is 10. And then I have a matching number, which is 5. So I won a total of $15 on this one. So that's more than the North Carolina one. I won $3 on that one. But my mom paid $16 for this whole roll. So we still lost. So guys, we're almost to Miami. We're like an hour away. And it's like 8:15 now, but I just wanted to show you guys the sunset. It's literally crazy. It's like cotton candy skies. And then when you pull it over here, it's like, you know, the sun is over there. It's like orange and yellow, but it's so pretty. The Florida skies. So guys, I wanted to show you our room here in South Beach in Miami. And y'all, just starting here, y'all look at this. If I don't want service, I press do not disturb. If I want my cleaning, I press that. How cool is this, y'all? And look at this bathroom. It's fully like redone, like this hotel got redone or whatever. So fly, yo. So, oh, there's me. Oh. Look how pretty it is, y'all. It's so cute and modern. But guys, can we just look at this view real quick? It's like about sunset time. Oh my gosh, y'all, Miami is the best. Hey guys, we've left Miami and we're on our way to Clearwater, Florida. As you can see, there's nothing right here because we're in the middle of nowhere. But we did stop at a Wawa and we did get lottos. And again, we are just getting the same type of lottos everywhere we go, which are like the $2 ones. And I just want to say we got these out of like a machine thing that's like an electronic machine, not like by the like cashier. So it wasn't like in the rows. And these are just random ones, but it says the chances are 1 in 4, just like all the other $2 ones. But I literally had 3 out of 5 winning tickets. This one I actually won $25 on alone. And then I won, let's see, I won $2 on this one. And I won $4 on this one. So Florida so far has the highest winning for our lotto tickets. So maybe that's a sign. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of little cute like motels and little like non-franchise little places you can stay and like properties you can rent and stuff. And I think it's so cute. Like it's a little like there's a little harbor, so there's kind of like you know, where people have boats and stuff. Yeah, I think you can go that way. Yeah, let's go this way.
Or are they going back to their place?
No, Mom. There's a street right there. You walk right out. Girl, you act like they ain't a beach right there. I would have took the golf cart if I was walking down that far. You said walk right across.
From our hotel room.
Yeah. This is it. Trust me. Girl, I'm never wrong.
Tell y'all that much. I'm not perfect, and I may be wrong sometimes, but most of the time, I'm right. Because I got the best intuition on a lot of things. But let me stop. Let me stop.
Some people like ride bikes and stuff. Good place to ride bikes. We saw some people like longboarding and rollerblading. That was cool too. And it's nice and sunny out. And yeah, we got some snacks and water.
Major key, hydration. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Big major key in life. Cause you ain't never want to stay thirsty. Especially not thirsty after a boy.
Look, I start vlogging and I start preaching, so maybe I should be a preacher. Should we take our shoes off? Should we take our sandals off? Oh, that's a good point. But also, who was right about this being a beach, y'all? She really was convinced. She was like, I don't think that's an entrance down there. I don't think that's a beach.
I ain't got nothing to say. Except I'm always right.
So, y'all want to come on vacation with me? Super fun. Because this girl, she don't do none of the like water sports. She ain't never going to go jet skiing, parasailing, paddleboarding, horseback riding, four-wheeling. She never wants to do none of that. And like I need someone to go on vacation and do that with me. Especially a boy. Preferably a boy who likes the sun, vacationing, more of a tan skin tone.
Oh my god, I had to cut that out of the vlog.
Bruh, look at man's chilling though. He's chilling big time, y'all. He's chilling big time. So this beach is not as crowded, y'all, because we picked this one like kind of near the hotel, so it wasn't down there near the resort. There's way more people down here. It's kind of more chill down here. Obviously, we don't have an umbrella like all these smart people, but these people, you know, road trip down here and they bring chairs and umbrellas. And we're just staying at this hotel for a few days. So we really don't have, we just brought the shower towels, the bath towels. So, you know, we're just gonna try and enjoy it. You guys see me? Oh my gosh, guys, it's 7:30 and we came out here to take pictures and the sun is still so far up, it's blinding. I gotta put my sunglasses on.